Hi guys, welcome again to a new video. Today we are touring the central side of Kenya, and here we will be showing you the dual carriage road construction that is ongoing along the Kenol Sagana road. Hope you enjoy this video guys, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more uploads. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming through for me. God bless you. I don't take you for granted. So guys, what do you think? Our government is really doing great. Actually, the infrastructure in this country is heading to a high level. We both know there have been so many road constructions here and there. The Nairobi Expressway, and here we are in Sagana. They're doing a dual carriage towards the western side. They're also going to do a dual carriage from Nairobi. I'm told it's from Nairobi to Mau Summit. You can imagine. That's so great. When I hear some people say our president has turned our country into a construction site. Wow, it's hilarious, but at the same time, it's to our own good. Imagine if you're having such good roads. Dual carriage roads are good roads, guys. It's very convenient. So guys, without taking much of your time, please take your time and watch this video. Our video will head up to the Makutano area because of some other reasons. We will be shifting our route towards Embu when we get to Makutano. So watch and get the updates up to Makutano Junction.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. every chapter of my mind. I've tried, and his laugh is just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. He could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push their way. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown. Take me back to my hometown. Back to my loved ones. Back to my hometown. Back to my hometown. We would sing and watch the campfire glow, telling stories as the sunset approached. Felt like we were better off on our own. Now I wish that we would never have grown. And now I'm standing in an overcrowded train, picturing the times we had as children while the rain is pouring down the windows and the people push the way. I've seen better days. I've seen better days. Take me back to my hometown. Take me back to my loved ones. We were kids, now we're all grown. Back in my hometown.
start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cause I would start to hate, if I ever leave, oh. Make what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Paradise, oh, yeah. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away, yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's project